In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Outlook. Keeping Microsoft Outlook up to date is important because updates often include performance improvements, security enhancements, and new features that help the application run more smoothly. In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to check for updates so you can make sure your Outlook is always current. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and go to your main interface. From there, look for the menu area at the top of the screen. Depending on your version, you may find this under the File section or directly within the Account settings. Once you locate it, open the Account or Product Information area where update options are available. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Office Updates or Update Settings. This is where Outlook manages its update process. When you find it, click on it to view the available update options. You will usually see a command that allows you to check for updates immediately. Select the option to check for updates, and Outlook will begin scanning for any new versions or improvements. If updates are available, the system will automatically start downloading and preparing them for installation. During this process, it is recommended to keep Outlook open, but avoid making changes while the update is in progress. If no updates are found, you will see a message confirming that your application is already up to date. This means you are using the latest version available, and no further action is required at that time. Once the update process is complete, you may be prompted to restart Outlook to apply the changes. If so, simply close the application and reopen it. This ensures that all new features and improvements are properly activated. Checking for updates regularly helps keep Outlook secure and functioning at its best. It also ensures compatibility with other Microsoft services and reduces the chances of encountering errors or performance issues. And that's it. You now know how to check for updates in Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.